Hello. So I would like to speak about my story on how I went more and more into the brush playing, and this has involved my passion for nature in itself. That you know, going more and more into this kind of environment for me to find good places in the Italian mountain and hills here and there, I always found easy to bring with me just my snare drum and my brushes and my chair, and that was enough for me to just sit down barefoot, feeling this connection, this contact with the nature. Everything was always simply beautiful. To stay in contact with the land is something huge, and to channel artistic expression is something that I'm sure it comes naturally for everybody that stay connected to this source for a certain period of time. So I really encourage to move into the nature and to live yourself doing what most comes spontaneous and inspiring to do. This led me into my journey of musician in a new branch. So yeah, for sure, to stay in nature is a source of inspiration. Then what's best for artists?